Welcome back to your home garage. In this video, we're going to do our first deep interior clean of this 2005 F-150 King Ranch. And considering that this vehicle is 16 years old, it's in absolutely great condition. But let's take a closer look. And from my previous video, you know that this truck was just purchased off of a ranch in Wheatland, so we're going to have some fun in detailing the interior. And because this is King Ranch leather, you really have to be careful on the products that you use. And we should be able to remove all the dust, dirt, and staining on the console with ease. And for this King Ranch leather, I'm going to be using a product by Pinnacle, and I'll post that link in the description because that'll be a separate video. These mats are going to look quite different when they're done because we're going to be using a solvent and the power brush on them. Then we'll use our extractor to remove all the stains and embedded dirt in the carpet, and then clean all the hard surfaces to a matte finish. And then we'll use our cleaners and smaller detailing tools such as our brushes to make sure that all these contact areas are thoroughly clean. And here's the condition of the vehicle from the passenger side. All right, time to get started. After emptying the vehicle, the first thing you want to start with is a thorough vacuuming. Now we'll move to our drill brush and carpet extractor to try to remove all these deeply embedded stains. Now I know some individuals may recommend removing the seats, but because they're a safety feature of the vehicle, I'm personally not a big fan of that. Now I always like to start off with the least aggressive approach as possible, so all I did was I sprayed the carpet with just plain water, and I'm just taking my drill brush to it to see how much of that stain I can actually remove. Now once all the surface debris is loosened by the drill brush, it makes it a lot easier to use the carpet extractor to get the deeply embedded stains out of the rug. And just check out the color of that water inside that fill tank. So as our carpet is drying, next up are all the hard surfaces. So as a helpful hint, never spray the product on the surface. Always spray it in your microfiber cloth so you don't get the overspray on any clean surface. And don't forget to fold your microfiber cloth into quarters. That way with one cloth you have multiple clean surfaces that you're able to use. And for the sake of efficiency, always start from the top and work your way down. It's amazing how many videos show individuals starting in the middle of the door panel. And here's the drill brush at work on those floor mats. And check out how great they look as they continue to dry off. And I avoid putting a final dressing on the mats because I don't want my feet to slip on them. Now let's check out the interior of this 16-year-old truck. Now sometimes you can't get every stain out, but this looks massively different compared to when we first started off. And we'll clean and condition this leather with the link in the description below. All the stains are removed from the gauges. And that drill brush and extractor did a great job on this carpet. And this piano finish still needs some polishing to remove all the foot scuffs. And there you have it, my first interior detail of this 2005 F150 King Ranch. So now with the carpet, mats, and hard surfaces detailed, it's time to move on to the leather, which will be linked in the description below. And make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and comment below as I reply to all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.